southwestern Nolan County in west central Texas until 4:30 a.m. Central Standard Time. At 3:22 a.m. Central Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Sterling City, moving northeast at 35 miles an hour. Hazard, ping pong ball size hail and 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, people and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will be near Broome around 3:30 a.m. Central Standard Time. SV. Spence Reservoir near Paint Creek Recreation Area and Silver around 3:55 a.m. Central Standard Time. Sanko around 4 a.m. Central Standard Time. Other locations impacted by the severe thunderstorm include the intersection of Highway 158 and Ranch Road 2059. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. And now, here is the National Weather